Hi everyone. Today I'll be showing you how we can remove and add a hyperlink. A hyperlink is when we have a link and it takes you directly to the website. For example, this right here, what I'm floating over is a hyperlink. We see the difference. A hyperlink will usually be changed in color. The text will be changed color and there will always be a line under it. And when you float, something should show. Okay, and if I click here, it's gonna take me out, right? That's a hyperlink. So how we can add that to any link that does not have one, you would start by selecting your text. You could drag your mouse across, or you could click 3 times consecutively. 1, 2, 3. It's selected. Please make sure that you get every part of your link, because if we miss a letter or a number or a symbol, it is no longer a correct link, and that link will not be usable. Once we have it fully selected, we're going to go ahead and do a right click on your mouse. A right click, and this menu is going to go ahead and open. Here we see this little symbol for link. That is what we are always going to look for, okay? And here we're going to open up this menu. We see a little arrow. It's going to show you your recent items, but that's not what we're going to focus on. We're going to click here, insert link. This other menu is going to go ahead and open. This right here where it says address, that is this address, this link, the web address. So this will never be changed, okay? If you take out anything by accident, as I said, that link will not be usable. So please make sure that nothing here is altered. Here is where one can decide to change the name of the link. You can choose to leave it this long if that's your preference. Or you could decide on a name, right? If I want to do all staff meeting, right? For example, I could do okay. And as we see, it completely changed. As I flow over it, it does show a link. And if I click on it, it takes me, okay? And anytime we want to open up a hyperlink in Microsoft, as it says here, control plus click. So you'll just click the key on your keyboard, control, and then click the link open, okay? We can remove hyperlinks by doing that same right click over any link. So here I have that link that I created, and if I want to remove it, I'm going to go ahead and do that right click. Except the menu will be a little bit different, because now we see here the same link symbol with an X. Remove hyperlink, that's what we want. Click, and now it's just text, okay? So that's how that'll work. Depending on the platform that you use, it might look a little bit different. Here is an example. If I'm using Gmail and I want to insert a hyperlink, I would go ahead and look for this link symbol, because when I do the normal menu, when I do the normal right click, that menu is not showing me link, okay? So it will always be here for Google, insert link, text to display. So if I wanted to change the name once again to all staff, and then the URL, this is where your actual link will go. You'll go ahead and paste your entire complete URL, the link. As I said before, please make sure it is 100% complete. If not, that will no longer work. And then we're going to go ahead and confirm, okay. And as we see, it changed in the same way that it did for Microsoft. If I click it, it'll take me. And removing it as well is a little bit different. I could just click. It tells me go to link. I could change it, or I'll go ahead and remove it. Okay. So that is how it'll always be done. Yes, thank you so much.